नमस्ते, जय हिंद। मेरा नाम राम कुमार, मेरा फादर का नाम है रामेगौड़ा। जून 2019 में हम वारंटी रिटायरमेंट लेके मैं आ गया बेंगलोर। अपना डिपो बटालियन में डिमॉप सेल है, उधर 1 महीने का अपना डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और हम रिलीज़ होने के लिए जो भी ट्रेनिंग चलता है हम रिसेटलमेंट के लिए, उसके लिए हमारा आई क्रिएट इंडिया एक एनजीओ का तरफ से अपना ऑफर आया था कि हम ट्रेनिंग देंगे जो बाहर जाके बिजनेस करने वाले के लिए।
iCreate has been focused on entrepreneurship development at the grassroots level. For this purpose, over the last 25 years, iCreate has, at this National Academy, developed content that is appropriate for the audience we are dealing with and methodology that makes sure the people at the grassroots understand the intricacies of entrepreneurship. The essence of our entrepreneurship development process is summarized in our Moola mantra, I hope. The I hope is an acronym derived from the 5 stages that one goes through, starting with idea generation, market research, and basically determining whether a business idea is viable and feasible.
iCreate का एक 10 दिन का क्लास है। वो क्लास में मेरे को न्यू जनरेशन बिजनेस कैसे करना है उसका बारे में मेरे को तो बहुत हेल्प किया।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम हवलदार लोकेश है। मैं 2003 जनवरी में आर्मी में ज्वाइन किया था। 2022 नवंबर में मैं रिटायर्ड हुआ हूँ, 20 साल नौकरी करके।
मेरा नाम तम्मैया पीबी है। 2002 में फौज में भर्ती हुआ था एमईजी में। 2002 में फौज में भर्ती होके 17 साल तक मैंने सर्विस किया एमईजी के साथ एंड 2019 में मेरा रिटायर्ड हो गया।
The retirement age for an army veteran is about 35 to 40. Just imagine from 40 to 80, 90, he lives a very long life. That life needs to be put into productive use. That's where iCreate, I think, has done a great job by training them on entrepreneurship and providing them with a sustainable future.
रिटायर्ड होने के बाद एक नया शॉप ओपन किया है, उसमें अराउंड 42 लाख इन्वेस्ट हुआ था। अभी 3 महीना हो गया स्टार्ट हो गया। अभी मंथली अराउंड 3.5 लाख इनकम हमको मंथली आ रहा है।
इतना जानकारी नहीं रहता है जो इंडियन आर्मी में हम काम करते रहते हैं, इतना जानकारी बिजनेस के बारे में नहीं होती है। वो iCreate वालों ने जो भी हमको दिया है वो काफ़ी मदद मिला है हमको। और टर्नओवर ये इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ है हमारे को 1,25,00,000 का हुआ है इन्वेस्टमेंट। टर्नओवर होता है महीना 25 लाख तक टर्नओवर होता है।
In 1999, Harsh and I were in Jaipur, and an event happened that disturbed us greatly. The government had advertised for 120 positions, and over 100,000 young people applied and turned up. It was a very hot day, and the government did not have even enough application forms. So a riot broke out, and police opened fire. And 3 young men who had come looking for jobs to support their families died. When we read this news item, we were very much disturbed. And we wondered, what can we do to give back to our country that has given us so much?
The idea was we need job creators. And who could be a better job creator than an entrepreneur? So we started iCreate to create entrepreneurs who are job creators rather than job seekers.
iCreate was started with the idea of helping people at the grassroots level become entrepreneurs. Now, in the initial stages of iCreate, we were focusing on self-help groups, the youth, and especially educational institutions. Sometime in the year 2016, we approached the Army Center in Bangalore, the ASC Army Center, where we went with the idea of why don't we help the veterans who are retiring become entrepreneurs.
2018 was another landmark year. That was the year iCreate India signed MOU with Directorate of Indian Army Veterans. Another vertical of iCreate India started, which continues to be one of our flagship programs of setting up business incubation centers across the army centers in the country.
We were specifically looking at what are the opportunities one can have to work with the armed forces. That is when we got connected with iCreate. When we started speaking with the leadership team at iCreate, we started appreciating the breadth and the depth of their understanding of this space, of the intricacies involved, of the sort of permissions needed, of the different programs they have to offer.
ये वेटरन जो हैं इन्होंने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी देश की सेवा में लगा दी है, एक अनुशासन के साथ, दृढ़ता के साथ, लीडरशिप के साथ, त्याग के साथ, बलिदान के साथ, और अब जब ये एक सिविलियन लाइफ की तरफ वापस आ रहे हैं, ये हमारा दायित्व बनता है कि हम उन्हें सपोर्ट करें, एक सस्टेनेबल लाइवलीहुड दें.
Let me first of all congratulate the entire team at iCreate for achieving this wonderful mission of completing 25 years of creating livelihoods across the country. HCL Foundation is a proud partner with iCreate, and let me in person congratulate Mr. Kamath for leading such a wonderful mission.
And the plan that we have based on the requirements for the army, because they retire about 60,000 on an average every year, is about 25 centers. So in the next 5 to 6 years, we hope that the 12 centers we have now will double to 24, 25.
मैं अकेला ही चला था जाने ए मंजिल, मगर लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया.